ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 552। टीका। भाष्य अथ अधुना अमूर्तम उच्यते। So now Amurta is being discussed. मंत्र अथामूर्तम प्राणश्च यश्चायम् अंतरात्मन् आकाश एतदमृतम् एतद् यद् एतत् त्यत् तस्य एतस्य मूर्तस्य तस्य एतस्य एतस्य अमृतस्य एतस्य यत एतस्य तस्य अत्यस्य एष रसो योऽयं दक्षिणे अक्षन् पुरुषस्य एष रसः। अथ अमूर्तम, व्हाट इज अमूर्तम? प्राणश्च यश्च अयम् अंतरात्मन् आकाश एतद् अमृतम। प्राण मीन्स वायु and antaratmani akasha, so that akasha which is there in this sharira. Vayu and akasha both are included. Antaratman akasha supam suluk, that sutra yesterday we saw, same. Antaratman akasha etad amritam, this amurtam is amritam, is etad yat, etad tyat, and this is tyat also. तस्य एतस्य मूर्तस्य एतस्य अमृतस्य एतस्य यतः एतस्य त्यस्य, its rasa is dakshine akshan purushah. So yesterday we saw the eyes, right? And I had mentioned dakshina eye, even though mantra didn't say, but now it is mentioned the purusha which is in the right eye. Dakshine akshan, akshan here also akshini purusha, tyasya hi esha rasah. सप्तमी अक्षणी, नॉट अक्षणी, अक्षणी। टीका भाष्य यत् परिशेषितं भूतद्वयं प्राणश्च यश्च अयम् अंतरात्मन् आकाश एतदमूर्तम। That prana means vayu and akasha, they both are bhutadvayam amurtam. Anyat purvavat, whatever was said earlier, same. एतस्य त्यस्य एष रसः, एतस्य त्यस्य एष रसः सारः। व्हाट इज सार? योऽयं दक्षिणे अक्षन् पुरुषः। दक्षिणे अक्षन् इति विशेष ग्रहणं शास्त्र प्रत्यक्षत्वात्। यो अयं दक्षिणे अक्षन् is in the right eye. So how do you say purusha is in the right eye? Shastra pratyaksha. So in the samashti, Surya is the Murta and the Purusha there is Amurta. In Adidaiva, in Samashti. In Vyashti, in Adhyatma, the Chakshu is the Murta. Murta Prapancha representation. And Akshipurusha is the, means it's the Sukshma Sharira you have to take Akshipurusha, because there also it was Linga. How do you know? Shastra Pratyakshatva. Surya is Pratyaksha, but this is Shastra Pratyaksha. Shastra Pratyaksha means only known through Shastra. In Brahma Sutra, sometimes you will find in Sutra, Pratyaksha Anumanabhyam, they will say. So, normal tendency is to understand how do you say this based on Pratyaksha and Anumana. Actually, Pratyaksha means Shruti, Anumana means Smriti there. So, Pratyaksha Anumana Bhyam means Shruti Smriti Bhyam. This is what he wants to say. So, here if you say Shastra Pratyaksha means Shruti Shastra in this. So, this the Shruti says Dakshina action. Iti Vishesha Grahanam Shastra Pratyakshatvat. टीका कुतो विशेषोक्ति ही इति आशंक्याः दक्षिण इति, बिकॉज दक्षिणे अक्षन शास्त्रस्य तेन वा दक्षिणे अक्षणी विशेषस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वात् इत्यर्थः. शास्त्रस्य तेन वा दक्षिणे अक्षणी, शास्त्रस्य मीन्स वेदोपदेष्टुः ईश्वरस्य शास्त्रेण वा. So by Shastra, because it is said Shastra Pratyakshatvan, so according to Tippanikar, the one to whom Shastra is Pratyaksha is Ishvara. That way he has taken. Vedopadeshtuhu Ishvarasya. Veda is Apaurushaya. In Veda, Ishvara doesn't have any role. Ishvara's role is only to teach Veda. Ishvara is not creator of Veda. Ishvara is only Upadeshta. Veda is Apaurushaya. Vitiya. So Shastrasya tena va dakshine akshani visheshasya pratyakshvatvat. That Shastra Upadeshta or Shastra, either of them, dakshine akshani visheshasya pratyaksha. In that, the dakshine akshani, in the right eye, this vishesha is pratyaksha. द्वितीय व्याख्यानम आश्रित्य हेत्वर्थम स्फुटयति. द्वितीय व्याख्यानम, द्वितीय व्याख्यानम शास्त्रेण प्रत्यक्षत्वात्. This is the second one. First one was it is pratyaksha to Ishvara, but second one is it is pratyaksha to Shastra. Means it is given in Shastra. In 8 number tippani it is given. शास्त्रेण प्रत्यक्षत्वादिति एतद् व्याख्यानम सर्वश्रुतिषु तथा प्रयोग दर्शनात्. In all Shrutis, where is the Purusha? In Dakshine Akshani, in the right eye. इति अनेन ही यथोक्त द्वितीय व्याख्यानस्य एव समर्थनात्. Everywhere this द्वितीय व्याख्यान समर्थनम is present. द्वितीय व्याख्यानमाश्रित्य हेत्वर्थं स्फुटयति. लिंगस्य ही दक्षिणे अक्षिणी विशेषतो अधिष्ठातृत्वम्. शास्त्रस्य प्रत्यक्षं सर्वश्रुतिषु तथा प्रयोग दर्शनात्. लिंगस्य ही दक्षिणे अक्षिणी अक्षणी. I think both rupas are there. Vaikalpika rupa is this.
Yes, Swamiji.
अक्षणी अक्षणी विशेषतो अधिष्ठातृत्वम्. Vaikalpika does not mean optional. Optional means if you want, you have it. If you don't want, you don't have it. It is not like that. Vaikalpika means through one sutra you get this form, through another sutra you get another form, but both forms are used and both, there is no pradhana and gauna. It is not like if your attendance is optional. When you say that means if you don't come it is okay, but somebody else's attendance is must. So it is not like that. It is not that way optional. लिंगस्य ही दक्षिणे अक्षिणी विशेषतो अधिष्ठातृत्वम्. So the Sukshma Sharira in Jagrat Avastha is in the right eye. In Swapna Avastha, it is in the mind. And in the Sushupti Avastha, it is in the heart, Hridaya, where everything is withdrawn. What is the Karika? Dakshinakshi Mukhe Vishwaha Manasyantastu Taijasaha Akashe cha Hridi Pragnyo त्रिधास्थानम निबोधत. टीका हेतु अनुद्य तदर्थम कथयति. हेतु अनुद्य, what is the dhatu and what is the sutra? Good. So in Shastra, Shastra se pratyaksham sarvashrutishu tatha prayoga darshanaत्. Tyasya hi esha rasa iti in chapter 1, Karika 2. Trida deha, not trida sthanam. त्यस्य ही एष रस इति पूर्ववद विशेषतो अग्रहणात् अमूर्त सारत्वे एव हेत्वर्थः. त्यस्य ही एष रस इति पूर्ववद विशेषतो अग्रहणात्. त्यस्य ही एष रसः. सो पूर्ववद विशेष अग्रहणात्. पूर्ववद विशेष earlier चक्षुः ग्रहणम विशेष रूपेण was not done. So अमूर्त सारत्वे एव हेत्वर्थः. तस्य हि एष रसः इति In हिंदी टीका दे हैव गिवन त्यद का यह रस है, यह वाक्यांश पूर्व के समान विशेष रूप से चक्षु का ग्रहण न होने से. दिस वाक्यांश लाइक अर्लियर विशेष रूपेण चक्षुर्ग्रहणम अदर्शनात् और अग्रहणात्, एंड देयरफॉर अमूर्त सार अमूर्त सारत्वे एव हेत्वर्थः. This is the hetu actually. यस्य ही एष रसः. प्रयोग दर्शनात्, I think प्रयोग दर्शनात् is the hetu. And also agrahanat amurta saratva is given. You should understand amurtatva saratva. एव हेत्वर्थः. So in 4 number टिप्पणी अमूर्त सारत्व इति हेतु वाक्यस्य अर्थद्वयम् इत्यर्थः. So one hetu is tatha prayoga darshanat. Prayoga is like that. Second hetu is given as anumanam in 3rd number टिप्पणी. किंच न तत्र केवलं शास्त्रादेव विशेषः किंतु विमतम् अतिशयवत् दक्षिणांगत्वात् दक्षिणहस्तादिवत् इति अनुमानाच्च इति अपि द्रष्टव्यः. विमतम् अतिशयवत्, विमतम् इस विरुद्धमतम्, अतिशयवत् दक्षिणांगत्वात्. अतिशय means if you ask the question why this purusha is only in the dakshina chakshu, why not anywhere else? So he says because it is dakshina anga, just like dakshina hasta. Which part of the body you use more? Say right hand. So like that he says right eye. This is the anumana. Vimatam atishayavat dakshinangatvat dakshinahastadivat. And right leg also, mostly they say, when you walk, so some people have more weight on the right leg. But those who are lefty, they will not agree, but that is different. Majority right-handed people are there. टीका यथा पूर्वत्र चक्षुषी मूर्तादि चतुष्टय दृष्ट्या तादृग्भूतत्रय सारता उक्ता तथा अत्रापि लिंगात्मनि अमूर्तत्वादि चतुष्टयस्य विशेषण अग्रहणात् अमूर्तत्वादिना साधर्म्यात् तथाविध भूतद्वय सारत्वं तस्य शरीरे प्राधान्याच्च तत्सारत्व सिद्धिरित्यर्थः. यथा पूर्वत्र चक्षुषी मूर्तादि चतुष्टय दृष्ट्या, पूर्वत्र in the अध्यात्म कार्यात्मकस्य ब्रह्मणः रूप निरूपण पर्याये at that time चक्षुषी मूर्तादि चतुष्टय दृष्ट्या मूर्त मर्त्य स्थित सत् मूर्तादि चतुष्टय दृष्ट्या तादृक् भूतत्रय सारता उक्ता भूतत्रय सारता is in the chakshu in the sthula तथा अत्रापि like that here also in case of अमूर्तादि चतुष्टय लिंगात्मनि अमूर्तत्वादि चतुष्टयस्य विशेषण अग्रहणात् there is no विशेषण here अमूर्तत्वादिना साधर्म्यात् there is साधर्म्य with अमूर्तत्व तथाविध भूतद्वय सारत्वम like earlier it was तथाविध भूतत्रय सारत्वम here it is भूतद्वय सारत्वम तस्य शरीरे प्राधान्याच्च तत्सारत्व सिद्धिरित्यर्थः in sharira its pradhanyam is shown in the right eye so sukshma sharira sthanam is given. No other hetu is required for explanation, I am assuming, why they say eyes. Because most of our vyavahara is through eyes. If you see something, then you say, yes, I saw this, and I know this. If you don't see, that vyavahara doesn't count. Means primarily. Manapramana is there, Upamana is there, but in all of them, you have to see something. You have to see Dhuma in Parvata, you have to see Parvata, you have to see Dhuma, all of that. So seeing is, in Vyavahara, it is considered important. And like how sometimes, if somebody is walking, let's say, towards Gangaji in front, somebody is coming from behind, significant distance, but they can see that person. They know who that person is walking. So this person, behind person, Chaitra, front person, Maitra. Chaitra says, I saw you, Maitra. Maitra says, I didn't see you. Why? Because each other's eye contact was not there. Only some part of the body the other person saw. So, that seeing is approval. Further, now last mantra of this. Saundarya Shalitva. Tasya हेत्यादेर वृत्तानुवाद पूर्वकम संबंधम आह तस्य इत्यादि भाष्य ब्रह्मण उपाधि भूतयोर मूर्तामूर्तयोः कार्यकरण विभागेन आध्यात्मिक अधिदैवतयोर विभागो व्याख्यातः सत्य शब्द वाच्ययोः. What is the meaning of this vakya? Very simple. Without seeing there, you can tell. This is easy. Brahmana upadhi bhutayoho murta murtayoho. Brahma is Brahmana upadhi bhuta. Brahma has two upadhis, murta and amurta. Brahmana upadhi bhutayoho murta murtayoho. They are karya karanatmaka, karya karana vibhagena. Karya will be sthula, murta. Karana will be amurta. Karya karana vibhagena. So karana we saw earlier, all the vak, chakshu, manaha, all of them are in karana, that is the linga sharira. So karya means sthula sharira, karana means sukshma sharira. Whether it is of individual or of the Surya, Hiranyagarbha. कार्यकरण विभागेन अध्यात्म अधिदैवतोयोः विभागो व्याख्यातः. Its व्याख्या is done. सत्य शब्द वाच्ययोः. And what is that व्याख्या of? It is the व्याख्या of satyasya satyam. In that the satya is this. Because otherwise satya is only for murta, right? It is sat. Amurta was not said as sat. But here you don't take murta equals sat. Here you take murta plus amurta together as satya. Satya shabda from satyasya satyam, prana hyesha satyam, tesham prana hyeva satyam, tesham esha satyam. In that way. Now, mantra. तस्य है एतस्य पुरुषस्य रूपम यथा माहारजनम वासो यथा पांडवाविकम यथेन्द्र गोपो यथा अग्निर्अर्ची यथा पुंडरीकम यथा सकृद् विद्युत देवे हवा अस्य श्रीर्भवति य एवं वेद अथात आदेशो नेति नेति न हि तस्माद् इति न इति अन्यत् परमस्त्यथ नामधेयं सत्यस्य सत्यम इति प्राणा वै सत्यम तेषामेष सत्यम. So this up to before atha is the ongoing prakarana. Then athata adesho neti neti. This is mukhya. This is nisheda of everything. Murta amurta nisheda. Nahi etasmad iti na iti. Iti na iti. Anyat param asti. We will see the meaning. And then satyasya satyam iti prana vai satyam tesham esha satyam. See the mantra. Tasya etasya purushasya rupam. Of this purusha, this sukshma sharira. Purushasya rupam. Yatha maharajanam vasaha. Vasa means vastram. What kind? Maharajanam. Maharajanam means that which is yellowed with the turmeric. It's called maharajanam. Yatha pandvavikam. Avikam means that which belongs to a sheep, means the wool. Pandu means white, whitish. So that kind of woolen cloth. Yathendra Gopo. Indra Gopa. Indra Gopa is actually one kind of insect that comes in this season, which is reddish in color. So its color is more similar to the geru kind. So these are all colors: yellow, white, Indra Gopa. Then Yatha Agni Archihi, the flames of the fire. Yatha Pundarikam means the white lotus. Yatha Sakrit Vidyutam, the one-time flash of a lightning. Sakrit means at only once. Sakrit Vidyutta Iva Hava Asya Shri Bhavati. Asya Shri, his glory, the one who knows in this way, his glory becomes like this. How? Like a lightning. Everyone will be stunned or mesmerized by that. Evam Veda. Then Athata Adesho Neti Neti. Now the Neti Neti Adesha is given. Not this, negation. नहि एतस्मात् इति न, इति न, इति न, इति अन्यत् परम् अस्ति. Then this nothing else. There is no other adesha superior to neti neti adesha. So other than this neti neti, there is no better adesha to reveal that nirupadhika Brahma. All negation is what is expected. नहीं एतस्माद् इति न इति अन्यत् परम अस्ति. अथ नामधेयम, नामधेयम ध्येयट प्रत्यय देर, वार्तिक इज देर, भाग रूप नामभ्यो ध्येयः. On these three, भाग रूप and नाम, ध्येयट प्रत्यय comes. भाग रूप नामभ्यो ध्येयः. Like how वाचारंभणम विकारो नामधेयम. Then satyasya satyam. So all this is satya. Its satya is this Paramatma. प्राणादर सत्यम तेषाम एष सत्य. टीका. विभागो विशेषः. कार्यकरण विभाग, विभाग मीन्स भेद, विशेष मीन्स भेद. तस्य अधिदैवम प्रकृतस्य एतस्य अध्यात्मं सन्निहितस्य अमूर्त रसभूत अंतःकरणस्यैव रागादि वासना इति वक्तुम्. तस्य अधिदैवम प्रकृतस्य एतस्य अध्यात्मं, अधिदैवम अध्यात्मं सन्निहितस्य अमूर्त रसभूत अंतःकरणस्यैव. In the antakarana, whatever ragadi vasanas are there, those vasanas are indicated. They are yellow, like turmeric color, white color like the wool, the red color like the Indragopa, flames of the fire, etc., like the white lotus or the lightning, etc. Amurta rasabhuta antakaranasya ragadi vasana. This is adhyatmam. Iti vaktum tasya ityadi vakyam ityarthah. Tasya ityadi vakyam. So in the tasya hava etasya is given that tasya vakyam. In the भाष्य तथा इदानीं तस्य ह एतस्य पुरुषस्य करणात्मनो लिंगस्य रूपम वक्ष्यामो. वासनामयम मूर्तामूर्त वासना विज्ञानमय संयोग जनितम. वासनामयम मूर्तामूर्त वासना विज्ञानमय संयोग जनितम. So what is the lingasya rupam? What is the form of this Sukshma Sharira? Means what is this Swarupam? Vasanamaya. It is made up of all Vasana. Vasana of Murta and Amurta. Murta, Murta, Vasana, Vijnanamaya, Sanyoga Janitam. All put together. Vichitram. See in Tika. कथमिदं रूपम लिंगस्य प्राप्तम तदाह मूर्ता मूर्त वासना विज्ञानमय संयोग. मूर्ता मूर्त वासना भी विज्ञानमय संयोगेन च जनितम. बुद्धे बुद्धे रूपम. व्हाट इज द सूत्र देयर?
जलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घो अणः.
Rory first. Because what is dirgha there? There is no dirgha. Buddhehe rupam. Buddhe rupam. Iti yavat. So, Murta, this is how now we should understand. Murta, Amurta, Vasanas, Vijnanamaya Sanyogena. So associated with that, now there is Chidabhasa. Tadjanitam buddhehe rupam. Buddhi means all my jnana, vyavahara is based on my vasanas. Whatever I have learned, accordingly I will act. Nedam atmano rupam. Tasya ekarasasya aneka rupatva anupapattehe iti vishinashti. This is not the rupam of Atma. Why it is not the rupam of Atma? Because Atma is ekarasa. And all these murta vasanas are anekarasa. So, ekarasasya aneka rupatva anupapattehe iti vishinashti. Vichitram. Then the next is Pata Bhitti Chitravat. So there are two tippanis on that. Nana Varna Sanyogena Patavat. This is one. Pata Chitra. And Bhitti Chitra is Darpanadi Paravritta Prakasha Sanyogena Bhittivat. So in between you can put semicolon to separate. When there are varieties of colors painted on a cloth, or a cloth with variety of yellow is there, white is there, red is there, kind of. And Darpanadi Paravrita Prakasha Sanyogena Bhitti, there is like lightning or the fire, etc. In that way, two different examples are given, two different kinds of examples. But how it is? See, this is Bhagavan Bhashyakar wants to write this line. For that, all these three Brahmanas were there. Main is this. What is that? How is all this Pata Bhitti Chitravat Maya Indrajala Mriga Trishnika Upamam Sarva Vyamohaspadam. This is the punchline of the 70 pages that we studied, or 100 plus 140 pages. This is all Maya Indrajala Mriga Trishnika Upamam Sarva Vyamohaspadam. All just deluding people. Tika. Nedam Atmano Rupam. Vastavatva Shanka Varayati Maya. It doesn't have Vastavatvam. It is all Maya. Vaichitram Vaichitriam Anusritya Aneko Daharana. Why these so many examples? Maya, Indrajala, Mriga Trishnika. The variety is given. All are Mithya. Antakarnasya Ragadi Vasanaschet Kadham Purusha Tanmayo Drishyate. If Vasanas belong to Antakarna, then why this Jiva acts according to his Vasanas which are in Antakarna? This also you should underline. Antakaranasya eva Ragadi Vasana. Vasanas are belonging where? In Antakarna. So Sukshma Sharira is where the Vasanas are, not in Karana Sharira, according to this line. Katham Purushas Tanmayo Drishyate, then how do you say Purusha is Vasanamaya? Because he is deluded. Sarva Vyamoha Aspadam. Then further, now the Bauddhas and Vaisheshika Paksha will begin. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.